Welcome everyone to our presentation on introducing Python in Excel. Today, we are excited to share with you how this powerful combination can revolutionize the way you work with data. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and now it's available right within Excel. With Python in Excel, you can write code like a formula and use it to clean, explore, and analyze your data in ways that were previously impossible. We hope to inspire you today to try out this exciting new feature and see how it can benefit your work. Python in Excel is a secure and reliable way to write Python code within the familiar environment of Excel. By running Python in the cloud, Microsoft ensures that users can enjoy the benefits of Python without worrying about security or reliability issues. Moreover, Python in Excel offers many benefits for users who work with data. For example, it allows them to leverage the power of Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn to analyze and manipulate data in Excel. This can lead to faster and more accurate data analysis, which in turn can help users make better decisions. Remember this: Python in Excel is currently available to Microsoft 365 Office Insider users on the beta channel. If you're in that club, lucky you. But don't worry, it's still a work in progress, so some things might change based on feedback. The integration of Python into Excel allows users to manipulate complex data using Python within their familiar workspace, thereby improving productivity and flexibility. Python can be used in Excel, allowing users to incorporate code into their spreadsheets. This integration allows for conducting data analysis and testing directly within Excel. Alright, now we will start using Python in Excel. To begin using Python in Excel, select a cell, go to Formulas in the ribbon, and then select Insert Python. This tells Excel that you want to write a Python formula in the selected cell. Or we have another way to write a Python formula. Use the function equal to py in a cell to enable Python. After entering equal to py in the cell, and press Tab to enable Python mode. Or we have a shortcut key, Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P to enable Python mode in Excel. Once Python is enabled in a cell, that cell displays a green py icon. The formula bar displays the same py icon when the Python cell is selected. Alright, now we will discuss about formula bar. Use the formula bar. For code like editing, behavior, like using the enter, K to create new lines. Expand the formula bar, using the down arrow icon to view multiple lines of code at once. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus U to expand the formula bar. And use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F2 to toggle between cell and formula bar, and use the Python output menu in the formula bar to control how Python calculations are returned. Return calculations as Python objects, or convert calculations to Excel values, and output them directly to a cell. You can also use the right-click menu to change the Python output type. Open the right-click menu and go to Python output, and then select the desired output type. Now, let's delve into a straightforward example to initiate your understanding. The initial step is to import the necessary libraries into the file. You can achieve this by listing them and specifying the import, for instance, Pandas as PD. You also have the option to assign them aliases, such as Python libraries. Once your imports are set, you can finalize the process by pressing the key combination Ctrl plus Enter. If the Python object symbol isn't displayed in the cell, you can select it from the drop-down next to the formula bar. With that said, we have successfully imported a library called Pandas. Now, consider your data as a valuable treasure, requiring a special container referred to as a data frame. No need for concern, as Excel offers a useful function for this purpose. Keep the name of your container in mind. Let's refer to it as the sample data frame. Python in Excel utilizes a custom Python function denoted as XL to establish a connection between Excel and Python. This XL function is designed to handle Excel objects like ranges, tables, queries, and names. Now it's time to create the data frame. To do this, use a separate cell and input the equal to PY. Afterward, press the Tab key, which will transition you into Python mode. Here, you can input your code. In this example, I'll name the data frame sample data frame, and for illustration, I'll select the first 10 rows from the employee dataset. Once your code is ready, finalize it by pressing Ctrl+Enter. Congratulations, you've successfully generated your data frame using Python within Excel. Alright. Here, Python in Excel uses the Pandas library to create the data frame object in cell E9. Click on the icon in the cell labeled Data Frame to see the output. Here, Python calculations are returned as Python objects. If you want to see the result as an Excel object, use the Python output menu in the formula bar to change the Python output type into an Excel object. This is the data frame we created using Python in Excel. Alright, we've imported the Python libraries and defined the data frame. Now, we're ready to analyze the data. Let's start with some descriptive statistics using Pandas. In a cell below the data frame cell, I can simply enter a Python formula. Remember to start a Python formula. Enter equal to PY, then tab, and then enter the following code. Sample dataframe.describe. Here, we use the describe function from the Pandas library to return descriptive statistics about your data. Python returns descriptive statistics for all numeric columns in the data frame. So we are done with writing our code. Press Ctrl+Enter combination to finish the task. There you have it. Python returns descriptive statistics for all numeric columns in the data frame. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered the basics of using Python in Excel and even crafted a data frame by bringing in the power of Pandas libraries. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries ahead. And while Python in Excel is in preview beta, you will be able to use this feature as part of your subscription. After the preview, you will need to purchase an additional license to use it. Before we wrap up, isn't Python in Excel just amazing? It's like having a superpower for your spreadsheets. If you enjoyed diving into this cool concept, get ready for more adventures. We'll be back with another exciting way to use Python in Excel. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the magic. Until next time, happy excelling with